Hey, greetings. So that's where the boiler was. There's the wet return. There's a return here. I'll get back to that later. And this is the boiler. It was American Standard style. I think that's AR and SS. 11 section. And it actually hadn't failed, really. Was getting a little crusty, though. The return lines, all the steel return lines that either was starting to rust through or was about to rust through. The chimney has been relined, at least down here. They still need to do some brickwork up top. Had a little interesting thing with the electric. Was one of these situations where one breaker turns off about 6 circuits, and so we've got Frank split it out so the boiler has its own circuit. Let's see. There's a fuse inside here. Throw the switch, Igor. Hang out a 47.2 on it. And yeah, like I promised, I was going to show you this. That's where that went. You can see there, that looks one step away from a snap off. One of the other things which is kind of weird, you notice the ridges on this and the ridges on this side are smooth. I may be wrong, but that might be a left-hand, right-hand 90. So that that was interesting. That would have been interesting to try to get that apart. So look at that in a bit. So I'm going to show you, this is the pathway that's going to come in. Like before, I've got a PowerMate support there. That's steel, heavy gauge steel, with adjustable legs. So that will perhaps be able to help the delivery crew catch these wheels. This one here is a little bit off, and they might have to shoot beyond it to there. There's the jacket. And here's all the piping. Now, one of the things I like to point out, this is the steam piping, and you can see that is just pristine, pure. That's got years of life on it. Not so much the return. You can see there's some pitting right there. Let's see if I got another one here. That's not too bad as far as metal. Let's see. Yeah, there's some pitting, potential pitting there. It did leak and kind of reseal itself. It was pretty sludgy. If I got one here. Yeah, this is what was going into the boiler. So thank you. Hopefully you'll have the delivery tomorrow, and I'll be able to give you a positive report on that. And stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.